Ready? That's so he can reach the floor. Right, so it's now about 11:15, and as you can see, I have a Mr. Hippo-Drones in front of me. On a Street Triple 675, I think they are. Might be 765, I never get it right. And then Pezza is behind me on his CRF. Not what I thought he'd bring with him, but that's what he's brought. So we're off to Bahnstormer. Apparently they're doing the 4040 budget battle bike reveal there, and it's on the way to Loomies, which is the main plan. So yeah, we're going to stop there on the way. So that's the plan. Filtering, filtering, filtering along. Filtering, filtering, this is my filtering song. God, it was not like this earlier. Who'd have thought 12 PM on a Saturday? Oh, 11:30 on a Saturday.
There goes Chris, he obviously knows the way.
Is that a sign for a tunnel? the noise that Triumph makes. I'm sure I recognise this road. The only problem when you watch all these videos from people down south or any other part of the world, country, but whatever, is if you're going down roads and you go, oh, I recognise that bit, I recognise that bit, yet you still have no clue where you're going. Because you only see bits and pieces. Right, it's still spitting slightly. I think my arms are wet. We were just in a long stint on the A3 and I'm glad to be off it. Oh, why couldn't it be dry? I mean, the sun's trying, but why could it not be dry? These roads would be fun. Even with a 50-mile-an-hour speed limit, it would still be fun. Ah, I know where I am. Loomies is to the right. Oh, yep. Aha, Bahnstormer, here we are. Ugh. I do. I got a bit bored going up the A3. That's ooh, long sweepy. Yeah. So we left Bahnstormer. Didn't look like anything was happening actually. So we're going to shoot to Loomies for a late lunch. And hopefully the sun will keep trying that little bit harder and it will clear up. Like I did that day, take me to the place I love, take me all the way. Oh, just go on, stop raining and dry out. These are some beautiful roads we've got onto ourselves. No hipsters, don't come here with your hairy faces, your vegan diets, your Right, so that's Hippo-Drones and Pezza on their way back to their homes, which is about 45 minutes from me. So that's sort of like the point of the loop where sort of best for all of us. So yeah, they've gone back. I'm going to put it here. A huge thank you to Hippo-Drones and Pezza for, of course, taking me out and not like that, and showing me the way. Oh, the rain's just picked up now. That is very, very much appreciated. And then I'm going to go back, I'm going to offload some more footage onto the hard drive. I'll do that this afternoon. And it's nearly 4 o'clock, so I might see what's on the menu tonight and actually purchase a dinner. Or if I see a little Tesco's or something on the way through, I might stop and pick something up. Or I might go out in a bit and get something. I don't know. I should probably pick something up at the petrol station, but that doesn't matter. So yeah, I'm going to go back. I'm probably not going to come back out again tonight. It's just bloody damn. So yeah. So the plan for tomorrow is I'm meeting Pezza at some cafe for breakfast. And then we're going to ride to Box Hill. So yeah, I'm going to be a bit mileage tomorrow, but I don't care. It's all in the adventure. All in the adventure. But I'm going to be following him on his new, well, it's not a new cub, it's his old original cub that he's made a custom bike. So I'm going to be doing that. And then it'll be a case of off to back down to Box Hill, and out of Box Hill to Rikers. And then I've got to do some planning, which I will do tonight, of how I'm returning home, as I think I've already mentioned. But yeah, so that's the plan. I will sign off here, so I think this will be the end of the video. Well, it's going to be a little mini series.